Hey fam, Uthando Nestembu Uncut, episode 2, Mangwabe and Musamseleko, right? The recap they gave us in the beginning, the display of their happy moments was so refreshing to watch. I had forgotten literally that Mbali can smile.
Akakhulumi kakhulu kodwa uyayigcina into enhlizweni yakhe akayikhohlwa into kalula
kuyabekezelwa impela emshadweni kodwa makungathiwa ngiyalamaniswa ngenxa yesivumelwano sami naye ngiyohamba.
Anyway, and the kids have moved to the suburbs into this beautiful home. You'll remember, however, that in season 8 she had said that she doesn't think she'll stay in this house, as she had mentioned that Musa had kept saying to her that he's buying the house for the kids, not her. But Musa had also made it known that Mangwabe acts like she doesn't want the house, because all she kept saying to him was that if the kids will like it, she always say the kids whenever they would speak about the house. Yet she was the one that chose it. He had also mentioned that he knows that she wants it even though she acts like she doesn't. But at this point, who cares what she said? We are here now, she loves it and she loves the peace.
Like I have my own space. Ukulala ngiyalala. Like nje I'm at peace. Akekho umuntu mhlambe ngithi ungigadile ukuthi ngiyaphuma ngenzani iloko nje I'm at peace.
She however says that ever since she spoke to Mawande about the issues with her husband, you remember the conversation from season 8, right? She says that Mawande is not okay at all. She even isolates a lot.
He only comes ukuthi abe nathi during isapha kuphela. Adla hambe or noma sibuka TV, she's not with us.
I hope to God Musa taking number 5 was worth it, because it has really messed up his relationship with Mangwabe. However, some fans of the show are saying they blame Mangwabe for believing in Musa in the first place, basically for believing a polygamist was being honest when he told her that he wasn't gonna take another wife after her. She had previously mentioned that she has not seen number 5 and she won't. Meeting her is not gonna do anything for her because she won't even be there. She had also reminded Musa that she never said he must not take a 5th wife. She only said if he goes against their promises and takes another wife, she will leave. And she had also clarified as well that she has nothing against number 5. The person she has a problem with and their lies is Musamseleko.
Umseleko benomawande bayakhuluma bobawu2. So angiyeke ngathanda ukubalandela ukuthi bakhulumani mebekhuluma bobabili. Kodwa ke I believe ukuthi mhlambe njengomuntu omdala phela ungeke ungayicheck ingane ukuthi njani.
According to her, Mseleko doesn't even realize the damage he's causing to the kids. Because they see everything, Mawande apparently even asked her sometime what her father really wants in this life.
Because I'm sure, Baba. Why? Because
I come for you, Lord.
Marungamshi.
Why is Namshi?
Because like I'm not being hungry away.
Uzobuhambo yapi ngoba phela usila around sonke. Uzobuhambo yapi?
It won't be the same.
At this point, their relationship is so bad, they're not even uttering the word love when referring to themselves. All they say is that they tolerate each other. That sounded so sad. And you know what I don't like that I picked up? Mseleko, whenever Mangwabe threatens to leave, which is a horrible thing on its own, by the way, to always bring up leaving whenever you have disagreements or conflict. But Mseleko never tries to sway her away from that. He's always like, I'm not stopping you, almost like he couldn't care less whether she lives or not. And that is a horrible thing to do, especially if you still love your wife and want things to work out between the two of you. Unless, of course, he's done and over everything.
Ukhalelani.
Because they're dying to like, you're like getting divorced. Like, why are you like getting divorced? Just because you're number 5. I'm seeing. Please.
Ukhalelani Paul.
No, it's just that I'm getting emotional.
But it will still be the same pace. 'Cause I'm pretty
hamba nobani.
No, baby, you
Ngihlale
don't have to
nobani.
choose. Uzohlala la where you feel. Yo. Mawande, ungenza ngibe emotional as well. Uzohlala la wena ubona go fit khona ukuthi uhlale. I'll always be available for you. I love you. Uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Ngiyanithanda. And angeke ngize ngimlahle noma ngathi wangilapha.
Sicela usiprotecte nkulunkulu.
Aka understand ukuthi mhlambe i-divorce ichaza ukuthi kuhlukana mina nobaba wakhe akuhlukani yena nobaba wakhe.
Ngithanda ukubona ukhaliswa izenzo zethu abantu abadala eningahlangene nazo.
Or divorce is the most confusing and heart-wrenching thing to kids. My heart sank a bit when Mawande during her diary said she always assumed her parents will always be together. But you know what? Even though Mangwabe doesn't even know how to respond to all these questions Mawande has, I appreciate, however, that she's taking time to listen to her child and comfort her. That is beautiful.
Sazohlala phansi nodade. I love you regardless.
Ngiyazwela kakhulu njengoba umntana mekhala encenga mina ukuthi ngingamshiya ubaba wakhe. Because aka understand ukuthi isicathulo sishisa mina. Akazitshela ukuthi mhlambe ngabe kunzima ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi akusabekezeleleki.
Being a parent also seems hard, okay? This just made me realize that being a parent is the hardest thing. You basically have to be strong for your kids, even though your own world is crumbling. Now I kinda understand why parents sometimes be saying I stayed for my kids. Because seeing Mawande break down like this is heart-wrenching for Mangwabe and definitely will affect her decision-making, it seems.
Asihlukumezi nina, but ke sizoxoxa. Okay.
Mawande, when production asked if she has someone to speak to about everything that is happening around her, she says that she speaks a lot to Mpilo about her feelings. Also, she said something that exposed Mangwabe and Musaibed. She said that she wishes her parents can resolve their issues by talking, not fighting, which now gives the idea that they fight in front of the kids. Mangwabe feels all the kids in their family needs therapy because they see and go through a lot.
Thina bazali, we just turn a blind eye as if akwenze kulutho olungekho normal, whereas yonke into eyenzekalayo phambi kwabo it's abnormal.
Bottom line though, what I'm taking from this is that polygamy is not a healthy setup at all. Not for the spouses, not for the kids. Even the man who you'd expect would be happy because this whole thing serves him, he's not happy. So there's really no point to go put yourself in a polygamous situation because obviously it's not working. And on this note, let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
Yeah.